Okay, so I built myself a record cleaning machine using a dual base, dual platter, and I bought a little $12 motor from Amazon. It's got really good torque. It doesn't stop. My first attempt, I tried to use a dual turntable motor, and any kind of pressure would stop it. But this works pretty well. I can do this, and it doesn't. You know, if I was cleaning the record, it doesn't stop. But I'm also going to add in the corner here, similar to a VPI wand with a vacuum that will not only can I clean the record, you know, wet it down, but then I can vacuum up the moisture, you know, similar. Didn't cost me much. You know, it was either this or spend $499 on a record cleaning machine. So if I can craft the vacuum part of it pretty well, we'll do okay. But yeah, like I said, this works out really well, and it doesn't, you know, I can hold this really hard. I'm holding it really hard, and it doesn't slow down. And for $12, you can't beat that. I had other holes in there because I had originally started this with a turntable motor, and it just doesn't have the torque. So put this back in place, and there we go. And as I said, I have room now to drill my hole, get my wand in there, and figure that out.